Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is part 2 in this video series. This is the finished product. We couldn't do it in the shade. We had to bring it up here in the sun so you could see it exactly how it should look. This is the 6-month update on this 8-year coating. And look at the reflection. And that's not even, that's in the shade. This thing looks gorgeous. Like I was saying, this is the 6th month update on this 8-year coating. And it looks like it's holding up well. If you have any questions about any of the ceramic coatings we offer, whether it's any of our non-warranted options or our Fireball warranty coatings, we have longevities anywhere between 2 and 10 years. Please reach out to us at info@KnightAutoPCD.com. You can call or text the office here at 440-666-8684. Once again, my name is John. We are Knight and Shining Armor paint correction, ceramic coatings, and detailing. We will catch you in the next video. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all of you for taking the time to subscribe and watch these videos. Have a great weekend, y'all.